Hello, welcome to another video of me unpacking a product that I purchased. Um, Today's package I received this evening was a Braccio robotic arm from the Arduino company. I also ordered a Arduino uh, revision 3. I believe that's what it is, REV3. I bought them separately at the same time in my order. However, later on I found out that I could have bundled it and saved $2, but I contacted the um, Arduino customer service and they said that they couldn't help me. The only way they could do anything was for me to just refuse the delivery, and then they would retrieve the item, well, perform the refund once they received the returned item. But since it was just $2 and I really wanted the package, the package, so I just did not go through and return the item. So now let's take a look of what's inside the box. And first I start with looking at the condition of the outside of the box to give me a feeling of if anything might have been damaged on the inside, to be aware of that. Okay, so let's take a look and see the condition of the box, and then I'll open up the box and we'll take a look on the inside and see what's inside. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so the item slides around on the inside. There's minor dents in the box. Nothing too serious looking, just some dents. Okay, now I'll cut the tape and open it up. Okay, so this is the box. This is the Arduino. Inside its box. Okay, this is the actual robotic arm package. And okay, and then this is just the packing slip with my receipt of my receipt. Okay, so now let's see what's on the inside. Just gonna cut the tape. I like to use this knife because I don't have to tear the lid off the boxes. I have a number of older versions of Arduino, but I've been having a little conflict with them, with the software I used. So I bought this one to replace it. So this is a shield, a mount of some sort. This is nice. I like getting this. Seems to have a ventilation panel or a mount. That's nice. And then inside this little box there's a little thank you for choosing an Arduino board and supporting the community card. Maybe I should open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, here's a sticker. This is a sticker. Okay, let me open this up let me open this up. Oh, quite a bit of reading. I'll skip that for later. This video is just about opening up packages and seeing what's on the inside. So far I'm happy with this Arduino package. Can't wait to get started. My professor said that he's still trying to get this robotic arm and he's not sure, and if he doesn't get it, then we're just gonna work on software programming. But I told him that I'm just happy to get this, even if it's not for the course, because this is my field. This is what I enjoy doing, is programming and robotics and circuitry, so I got it anyway. Okay, so now let's open this up. It comes off very easily. I noticed that when I took it out of the box, it slides like this, and this comes off. There's a picture of a solar panel, a smartphone, a camera, and just the end effector or the manipulator hand claw. I like the box, the quality, and the stickers look shiny. Okay, so now let me lift this lid up. Okay, and this is what's on the inside. There's some padding for the lid and some schematics on the lid. Oh, and this is the platform for the robotic arm, the base. This is the user manual. Okay, and these are the servos to move the arm. They're pretty small. I have a lot of servos, but they're not this size. That was a small one. I see that there are different kinds. So this is one servo. It's number 5 of the servos. This one is number 1 of the servos. I'm very excited to get this. This is number 2 of the servos. So I might as well put them in order. 1, 2. This is number 6 of the servos. This is number 4 of the servos. And this is number 3 of the servos. So I have all 6 servos. It's a robotic arm that has 6 angles of freedom. So I believe that's why we have 6 servos. This is the base, I believe. There's a little plastic wrapping bent into a tube to run the wires through. Here's a packet with a lot of parts in here. I don't think I really want to go through this for this video. There's just a lot of screws that I don't want to open up and maybe lose something. I'll open this up when I'm assembling the robotic arm. But there's a lot of pieces in this. Can't wait to get started building it. And I may get started right after this video. Maybe I should make a video of me putting this robotic arm together. But there's a lot of that, those videos similar to that already on the available. And then here's another shape. I'm not familiar with all the parts yet. I'm just recording what I have. Oh, these are for the claws to clasp objects. Okay, so these are, I don't know exactly yet how to put it together, but these are some more parts. Here's another set similar to those. I don't know what they are for yet. Then here's oh, this looks like an outlet, a plug for an outlet, for European outlets, and 240 volt adapters. Okay, I don't think I need these. I don't need these right now. And here's an adapter again. Here's a screwdriver for putting the arm together with the screws and bolts. And here's an adapter that powers up the servos. It's connected to this shield that drives the servos. We need the shield to connect to the Arduino board to protect it from overload or voltage protection. If you try to run the motors with just the connection through the powering the Arduino board, you risk destroying your board. So you have the shield that you mount on there, and it powers the Arduino the servos directly. And here's another part. I guess this connects to the base somehow. It's about that size. And here are more parts. And I believe these are the last parts, the last of it in here. I'm glad I took a video of me unpacking this, because that way I could see the way to put it back together. Oh, and then here are some heat shrink tubes. You put your wires in there and you get a heating gun, and when you heat it, these squeezed into the wires. And I'm glad I took this out because I did not know that was in there. And then this is just the bottom of the box with more padding and cardboard, and I think that's it. That's everything that is in this package. Well, thank you very much for watching.